Haha, we just back with another like one. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Don't forget to leave a like and comment and subscribe if you like what you're seeing. Okay, what is up YouTube? You watching Any Entertainment? We are here with another video, 2-strand twist tutorial. I've been trying to just do this for a while because, we had a lot of questions just about, how do you do this? Who does it for you? Is it hard? Can I do it myself? Can you do a tutorial? So that's mainly why we're here today. Your boy's been sleeping majority of the day, and it's 12:38 a.m. right now. So I thought it'd be a good enough opportunity to just get this video out for you guys, since I'm feeling like I got some energy today, to waste on this. So, you can already see I did one because I was just playing around with it. But yeah, 2-strand twist tutorial, we about to get into that. But before I do, I just want to say a couple of things in terms of just the content that we're trying to push out to you guys, okay? Right now, we got this beautiful light set up, this Ring camera that I just ordered from Amazon, which I can put in the link in the description if any of you guys are interested as well. But, I'm just waiting mostly for my MacBook so we can get this editing process a little bit easier, because it's a little bit of a stress trying to do this all with the amount of resources that I got right now. So we're gonna push that for you guys later when I can, and I'll let you know with throughout these videos. But before we get into this 2-strand twist tutorial, I just want to split it up into a couple of sections where we will be doing sectioning, we will be doing, as well as what products I use. We will be doing the proper technique, I guess, to twist it. It's really easy, okay? First of all, hope you guys are just paying attention to everything. I'm gonna try to keep it as simple as possible and just relay that all to you guys throughout this video, okay? So without further ado, let's get into this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you liked what you saw or learned anything new, or just are curious of anything that might have happened in this video. Okay, so how we gonna split up this video into today is we're gonna have it's split into a couple sections, okay? We're gonna blow dry the hair, add the oil is essential, get all these entanglements out and into a nice puff-up, because we want to have the longest strands to twist, you feel me? The products that I use, this olive oil smooth and holding gel, which you can get at Walmart or Walgreens or wherever that's available to you, or just Amazon, because we all quarantine right now. But olive oil, hold and style, curl defining, blah 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 blah. But yo, it's like a pudding, but it really just keeps it together once you finish your final product. We're gonna use this as well as Shea Moisture. If y'all want to sponsor, man, yo, sponsor me, cause we just be doing this on a weekly, daily basis, you feel me? But that, as well as lavender, coconut oil, for the hair growth, rice, whatever. If y'all want to see how I take care of my hair, just let me know down in the comments below. But coconut oil as well. And the last thing we really gonna need, some styling combs. Simple. That's all we're gonna use. Just the easiest things in your household that even your mama got. Okay, so we're gonna get into this video for you guys. Stay tuned. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do right now is just use this little H2O bottle. You can really just find any kind of can, spray bottle, and just put water in it, really. But yeah, we're just gonna get our hair nice and moist before we do this. You feel me? Do all this process first and just untangle the other 2-strand twist we already did, because we don't need that right now. But you can see my hair already kind of curls off with the twist out. Just as easy as that, you feel me? So we're gonna get into this for you guys. Blow dry might be a little bit loud, so we're just gonna do a little time lapse. So while I pick all this out, so let's have fun with it. Let's go. Okay, so yeah, we looking a little crazy right now. You see the growth on this too. From when I started, it's really, I feel like each time we twist this and do a 2-strand twist process and repeat, you always see growth, whether you're using your oils or just keeping them in for a long period of time. You always gonna have some growth with it. Now, that's crazy, man. Whole bunch of puff right there, wow. But next part of this video, we gonna section vertical and horizontal and split these into 4 sections, which we're gonna focus on. Well, 5 if you include the back, but the back's always the worst part. So we're gonna get into that for you in just a sec. We're gonna go through the middle of our forehead and just, you know, keep going.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna do a little brief intermission because I don't know what happened to all my files. Well, this is me shooting already, obviously after the fact. We recorded everything done, and what I have for you guys was just a sectioning part where pretty much we just put our hair in rubber bands, front, back, and the back, and we worked on that through the time lapse. But I don't know what happened between my files. If anything, that's why I pushed this video so far back, because I've been just having issues. But hey, nevertheless,
we're gonna get right back into this video. Okay, so we managed to separate into 4 sections, which we're gonna look at the top of his head. Focus on for this video. We got, you know, the front, the back, and the very back, which seems to be the most difficult, but if you know how to do it in a proper way, which I will show you, it's gonna be like, yeah, the next part, we're just gonna take each section, add our putting and holding gels, and just separate into sections that we can twist. So usually I do start with the back. We might start with the back in this video, but hey, just stay tuned. Okay, this is the back. I don't even know what this looks like yet, but hey, like, that's the thing about the back. It's the most difficult part, but as long as you can get a little bit of a sectioning and just, you know, do that, the rest kind of just falls into place. So now we got kind of an even balance of twist that we'll focus on, and now we're gonna move to my fronts, which is my favorite part, because like that's just the easiest. You can see it right in front of you and actually, you know, section it the way we want. So we're gonna get into that for you right now. See, now what we about to do for the front, yo, it's like all we gonna do is just like separate. You got your front as straight as you could be, and you want to go into like kind of, people say like pizza, people say like quadrants. I don't even know what you want to call it, man. Just like separate your hair into reasonable lengths that's like diagonal to your shape. Like if you want to do all around twist, you can just twist it anyhow, freeform. You don't really need to section it, but like me personally, like I know like how I want it to look, so like we just try to section it as best as we can. You feel me? So like we get a decent amount of hair here, diagonal, and then we just work backwards, and that's why the front is so easy. So easy. We're gonna go back into this sped up motion for y'all in a sec, but like yeah, this pudding, it works like magic. Olive oil, smooth. Oh, I don't even need to use a lot because I like to be conservative with my stuff. I mean, wouldn't you? You feel me? And if you do, like this video, leave a comment. But honestly, like, you know, we're gonna take the front. I like my front part to be like a reasonable size because like that determines kind of the rest of how the other side is gonna look. You know, you gotta be real careful when you're doing this part. Like, it's not that serious, but like, just split them into 2. Wrap over. See, this is what I probably couldn't show you in the back, but we're gonna wrap over, and pinch at the root. You feel me? Wrap over. And eventually you just get faster. Like, not corona, but eventually you just
get faster because like, it just becomes a process. Like, not gonna lie, when I'm doing the back of my head, it hurt. Like, I get tired with my arms, and you're gonna feel that the first couple times, but like,
when you just follow these easy steps, I promise you, like, you're probably like, whoa, like, yeah, but I probably don't have that hand-eye coordination. Nigga, what? Don't you probably need a mirror? Like, you could do that, but like, it just, usually you just know the back of your head. Like, especially when you got like a easy, like just flat, you see how I just did the back? Like, that's probably the easiest way to do it, you feel me? So like, you just work like that, you split at the root, wrap over. We're gonna get back into this. Alright, man. So look, while this time lapse plays, I'm gonna just give y'all a couple things for pointers, I guess, that you could do when you're doing your own two-strand twist for yourself. First of all, having the right equipment is very important. By equipment, I mean conditioner or holding gels to make sure your hair works for you, because everybody has different, uh, patterns and styles and how their hair curls and shapes. So, with this, we just worked in rows, front to back. And I understand that I didn't really show you guys the back part, but it's pretty much the same kind of process, just, separating from sections that you can do left to right and doing the exact same opposite on the other side of your head. So, once you get a rhythm to it, you just want to grab chunks that are not too big, not too little, and you kind of just control how you want them. Work over time. So yeah, like the best way to do this really is just by having consistency. Consistency is key in pretty much anything that you do, and in this we're just trying to have consistent strands in as much as we can. We're trying to have the most consistent strands that we can twist. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'm gonna let this play out.
Not trying to be 4 for inches, I'm trying to go the distance. Yeah. Distance. I'm on a different mission. This the remix to ignition, hot and fresh out the kitchen. How you
Did I lose you? I ain't even drinking, but it's on this toe. Yeah, so before I do that, we about 30 minutes in. Yeah, it's looking kind of crazy. I think what I'm gonna do is like do a sleeve and then like a morning review, so y'all can see what it truly looked like when the do-rag process is done. But it's still looking a little bit messy, but that's not an issue. It's a quick, easy fix. We're just gonna turn this on for a second. So and not gonna care, but I'm tired. Like I'm real tired. But we 30 minutes in. The other 30 minutes we spent on this part, and hopefully a little bit faster. I find like once I do the first part, I kind of know what the other one's gonna look, and then it's easy to balance. But hey, we're gonna get back into it. Come on now. Okay, man. So I'm looking tired for real, but hey, we finished it. 2-strand twist. The reason it took me a little bit longer, the time is 3:16, is because like we wanted to do some. Whenever I do these, I like to keep them in for at least like 3 weeks to a month. So like I like to do skinny instead of fatty, because like if I want to do this in an hour, I could do an hour twist out. But I like each individual strand like being in its own, you feel me? So you can do it this way. I'm not even sure how the back look, but y'all can take a look for me. Do a little spin. So like, this is the rough draft. Ooh, we're gonna just blow this down real quick. Okay. So, yeah, that's pretty much about it. We're gonna put this do-rag on and then do a little, you know, morning review to show y'all the final product of what this actually looks like when you do-rag it from this. So, I'm gonna go get some food after this, because we need to eat. Almost forgetting about that. We turning really nocturnal during this quarantine staycation. I don't even know, man. We tired. That's how you can tell. But now we're just gonna separate it with our fingers. Let pretty much everything just go diagonally down in these sections, because that's how we want to wake it up to, you feel me? Hopefully I did it all right. But we won't know until tomorrow morning, so. Any entertainment? We're out. About to go get some sleep, because you deserve it. And y'all should be sleeping too, depending on when you're watching this video. But hey, yeah, I'm gonna clean this up, sweep the floor, and just hit the hay. So, hey, we'll catch up in the morning, I guess. All right.
Hold tight.
So, we gotta go to bed. Good night. Before we start off with this final review, but you know, we had a good sleep. The day is Thursday, May 7th, and you know, yeah, we're just gonna get into it really, because I ain't got nothing really much to say. The holding gel, everything I use, it feels to be it feels like we did it all right. It feels like, you know, we don't got none of them that frizzed up or was out of place. So yeah, I mean, it doesn't look too bad. I mean, you guys can let me know. I'm gonna do a little spin. You know, I don't know how I sectioned it properly, but hopefully it was good enough for you guys to leave a like or subscribe if you're new. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the 2-strand twist. You know, we're just gonna let this hang out, maybe do-rag it a little bit longer. But hope you guys have an amazing day, good afternoon or evening, for whatever you guys are doing when you're watching this video, like I said earlier. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Any entertainment, we are out this beat. I'm about to start my day. Y'all should too. We out.
Martin Luther King, he asked for peace. They got him killed. Malcolm X told us, let's go to war. He's got a point. Now, I ain't trying to say the topic is black against all the whites. If you ain't trying to see another man live, then you gon' die. Wanna kill us, pause, stop it. Think about the mood that you making. Think about the love we created. Think about the sport that you playing. Think about all the music and vibe. Think about all the figures who made us. Spend years, hearts burning. Now we set the streets on fire.